First, we peel the mango, then cut it into small cubes. Now, we add the chopped mango into a small saucepan. Add some sugar, a bit of lemon zest, and the juice of half a lemon, just a tiny pinch of salt, and place it over medium heat. Once it starts to simmer, add a tiny bit of vanilla paste, just the tip of a knife, and give it a quick mix. Once the mango softens and gets juicy, blend it until it's nice and smooth. You want it to reach this consistency, just like this. Now pour the mango puree into another bowl and let it cool completely. Now let's make the cream. Separate the egg yolks. Add the sugar to the egg yolks and whisk it over a double boiler. We don't want the eggs to cook just until the sugar dissolves and it gets slightly thicker. Now, just transfer it into a bowl and let it cool. Once it's cold, beat it with an electric mixer until it turns pale, creamy, and thick. Now add the mascarpone and mix it again until it's smooth and creamy. Now we add some coconut cream. I'm using a ready-made one just to add that coconut flavor. Then mix it again until it's smooth and creamy. Now whip the cream with powdered sugar until it gets soft and fluffy. Right at the soft peak stage. Don't overmix it, just until it holds its shape. Now add the whipped cream and gently fold it in until it's smooth and fully combined. Now add the shredded coconut and mix it in until everything is well combined. Then set it aside and move on to the next step. Now add 2 tablespoons of the mango puree to the milk and mix it well. Now let's start layering. I'm using store-bought ladyfingers. Dip them into the mango milk. Place them in the dish. Then add a layer of cream and some mango puree. Repeat until everything is layered and the dish is filled. For the last layer, add the cream, then swirl some mango puree on top. I finished it with dried mango and shredded coconut. And to finish, I just sprinkle some shredded coconut on top. Hope you enjoy this tropical tiramisu.